Alright, that's enough training for one day. I've been spending the whole day here with the staff at the office doing the training for the CBCT. It's great. It's actually pretty interesting. I took a CT myself, and I'm going to talk to you about it, but I'm so starving. I haven't had breakfast or lunch yet. It's like 6 p.m. Well, that hit the spot. I cannot tell you, I was starving all day. It was a very intense training here with the CBCT machine, and you know, we had a great rep, Sean, who kind of came over to kind of do the whole training for the staff today for a couple of days, and had a chance to get exposed to all of the bells and whistles and the things that this machine can do. So the CBCT is really a wonderful device. It's a tool just like any other tool that we have at our disposal to help us and assist us in terms of the diagnostic image, so that we can get additional information, so that we can serve our patients better, be more accurate in our diagnosis, which will mean in turn we're going to be more accurate in our treatment planning. Treatment planning is the key to success. People who treatment plan properly will have a better success rate because they will choose those options that will provide better yields in the long run. And some of the tools that help you do a good treatment planning is coming up with the right diagnosis, and that's where, you know, the combination of proper patient interview, listening to the patient first before doing the clinical examination, and assist that with radiographic examination as well as the CBCT examination. All of these things go together to create a big diagnostic image that, with you and your knowledge of the information that you have learned in dental school and have learned with experience, builds together the appropriate treatment plan for a given patient. And that's really the key thing, is that every patient is unique, so we need to kind of put this stuff together uniquely to come up with a good treatment plan. So anyway, I just wanted to make this quick little video, say that the thing is already set at the office. We're all excited to give it a shot and try it. I'm gonna do some videos in terms of showing you how some of these cases are going to turn out, and then what we're gonna do about them. But first and foremost, I want to actually share with you this last case, which is actually a tooth that is my own. So I was actually the patient that was used for this particular demonstration.
Yeah, any jewelry from the neck up. So make sure you take your tongue ring out too, doctor.
And the tooth that you're seeing right now is my maxillary premolar, that somehow in dental school I was not very good. I was studying for a long time and having a lot of chocolate and things like that, so I ended up needing a root canal, and this is back in 1990. So in 1990 this root canal was done, and today we took this almost now 30-year recall of this tooth that has had a root canal, a little bit of a, actually a couple of little short posts, and actually even had a crown lengthening on this tooth back that long ago. So it just goes to show the power of endo, and of course, you know, it's not just the endo, because you know, you got to give the patient a little bit of credit too with the home care. So perhaps it's also our duty to explain to our patients their own responsibility in terms of taking care of the materials that we give them, or all the artwork that we do in their mouth isn't just it's not a permanent solution. And perhaps, you know, we shouldn't be calling things permanent crowns or anything permanent, but actually what the patient should be doing. Okay, I wanted to kind of finish up and say that we did put the CBCT in there, and I will be over the next year or two incorporate that into the diagnostics of the cases that I'm going to show you. Hopefully that will be of help to you. I'm going to show you guys how the CBCT could be interpreted now. Luckily, I taught head and neck anatomy for a number of years, so that combination with the clinical experience and so on, hopefully be helpful to you in terms of communicating how to not only kind of work the software, but understand to apply the anatomy to the site in terms of the big picture of endodontic disease and endodontic models, so we can get great success rates. Anyway, I hope this information is helpful to you, and I will see you in the next vlog.